Linear program.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, too.
Right, this afternoon we're going to look at linear programming. Right, what is linear programming? Have you ever been to the grocery, let's say, look at $100, and you're going to buy some items, right? How much money is the most? What's the most amount of money you think you can spend? $100. That seems obvious, isn't it? Can you spend $150? Why? Because you are limited to only $100. So forth. Right. A linear programming situation takes these factors into consideration. It takes into consideration your restraints or your limitation. I am only limited to spending $100 or less, no more than $100. What is linear programming situation? Okay, linear programming actually measures all your constraints and comes up with the best solution that is possible. And how do you do that? There's a process that you do in linear programming in order for you to get the maximum profiting that you are looking for. And this process is called an algorithm. Here's the algorithm that is used to determine the optimum value or the best value or the best choice in a linear program. Alright, what's the second thing? Graphing model. And the third thing? The fourth?
Identify or equation.
Fifth?
Substitute with the system of the property equation into the mathematical. The grammar text because of by
Let's stop right there. You could recall that initially started off by saying, if I go to the grocery with $100, I can spend no more than $100. You remember that? Right. Here this man has 12 acres of land. Can he plant more than 12 acres of land? Can he? So therefore he's restricted to planting no more than acres. But can you plant 4 acres of the land?
Yes.
So in other words, you can plant 12 acres or only one is less than or equal to 12. Now I'm going to advise those who are graphing inequalities, you will simply express everything in terms of y so that you will have hand here y is equal to 12 minus x. All we did was transpose x or carry x on the other side of the equation. Remember, when you move on the other side of the equation, the operating sign changes. So plus minus to minus. Now we can have a function drawn here of a function in x. And we can get the corresponding values for y. If I were to assign a value of 0, x here being 0, what would be the value of y? 12. The value of y will be 12. Because we will have 12 minus 0 is 12. If I were to assign a value of x to 12, what would be the value of y? 0 is correct. Because we have y is equal to 12 minus 12, which is 0. The truth be told, a straight line is drawn simply by connecting 2 points. As a matter of fact, that is how a straight line is defined. It is the shortest distance between 2 points. So all that needs to be done to draw this particular graph is to plot these 2 points. And the 2 points are 0, 12 and 12, 0. 0, 12 is here, and 12, 0 is here. So you are going to plot these 2 points. Watch me. After plotting the 2 points, you are going to draw the line connecting the 2 points. And you are going to label your line, and your line would be labeled x plus y is equal to 12. So that you will not do that. Now, if you are recording inaccurately, then you will have an inaccurate answer. When you are doing a linear programming situation, what's the first thing you should do? Alright, and what is the second thing you should do? Extracting the model, you have grasped the model. What is the next thing you should do? Locator, region, a common region. To locate the common region here, there are several ways of doing it, right? But one of the ways that I want to show you of locating the common region is by testing the points. And we are going to shade the unwanted area. If we shade the unwanted area, then what will happen is that we will be left with an area that is unshaded. And it's the unshaded region that will be the common region. Go after the Hollywood thing, eh?
Everywhere except in.
Masih dia kembali ke spine apa?
Let's see if we can recap what we have done. What was the first thing we did? We extracted a mathematical model. What was the next thing? We graphed the model. What's the third thing? We located the common region. And here is the common region located like that. Okay? What you need to do is to identify the vertices of the common. So if they say $75 on each acre of field, what would that be represented? 75 by X. So in other words, it's 75X. And how much is he making on the tomato? 51. I would like for you to remind me, how were we able to solve the farmer's problem? The first thing we had to do, yes, we extracted a mathematical model. Then what was the second thing? We graphed the model. After graphing the model, what did we do? We located the common region, then we identified the profit equation. And after identifying the profit equation, this was the meat of the whole matter. We were able to take these vertices and substitute them in the profit equation to determine your maximum